High above the plains of the Maasai Mara, a predator dines in complete control. No rivals. No interruptions. No witnesses. A Thompson's gazelle, one of the fastest runners on these open plains, now hangs motionless in the branches. This is not luck. This is strategy. Only one hunter in Africa possesses the power and precision to lift its prey into the sky. The leopard. But to understand why he climbs, we must return to the ground, where every kill becomes a battle, and every mistake can mean starvation. If you're planning your next vacation in the wild, travel with those who understand it. Contact Jungle Boy Safari and experience a premium wildlife adventure. Book now. The Maasai Mara. An arena of giants. Here, the land screams with life. Millions of hooves hammer the dust. Lions roar to announce their reign. Cheetahs burn energy in explosive sprints, visible for miles. Hyenas cackle in the open, confident in their numbers. But in the shadows of this noisy empire, there is a silence. There is a hunter who refuses to play by the rules of the open plain. He prefers silence to strength. Not the king. Not the fastest. Not the loudest. But the most unseen. A phantom wrapped in gold, stitched with darkness. The leopard. While the lion demands respect, the leopard demands nothing. He wants to be a ghost. In a land ruled by chaos, he is a master of patience. Here, survival is not about power. It is about disappearing before danger ever knows you exist. While lions claim territory with roars, the leopard claims it with secrecy. He walks where others overlook. He rests where eyes cannot follow. In the Mara, visibility is vulnerability, and the leopard has perfected the art of vanishing in plain sight. Even prey can stare directly at death and never realize it was there. He is a lone predator in a land of armies. No pride to defend him. No backup to save him. The bush is his fortress. And when the sky opens, it hides his work even further. A vulture circles above, nature's observer, waiting for another predator's failure. But today, the watcher becomes the watched. The leopard drags the limp body straight into deep cover. No chase. No struggle witnessed. Only a silent execution. Inside the wet bush, hidden from the downpour, the feast begins. Feathers and bone. A grim meal. Eating a bird of prey is rare, but survival is never about taste. He feeds with one eye on the meat and one eye on the horizon. The scent of blood travels fast here, and the tax collectors, the hyenas, are always listening. The ground is never safe. To truly protect his prize, he must rise above it. And this is his kingdom. High in the canopy lies proof of his strategy, a Thompson's gazelle draped across a branch. Fast. Agile. One of the most alert runners of the plains. On the ground, the Tommy is speed itself. But the leopard did not outrun it. He outthought it. Hauling the gazelle upward is a feat of raw physics and brutal strength. The prey can weigh nearly as much as the hunter himself. This is pure anaerobic power, muscle against gravity. Here in the penthouse of the Mara, the rules change. Above the chaos, he is calm. Grooming. Resting. Below, a hyena waits for scraps that will never fall. Up here, the leopard is untouchable. The tree is more than a pantry. It is an observation deck. The bark becomes his bed. The branches his throne. Heavy breathing reveals the cost of the climb, it drains him completely. But the reward is priceless: safety, solitude, control. Most animals belong to the earth. The leopard belongs to the sky. He has survived another day in one of the most competitive ecosystems on the planet. Navigating giants, evading stronger rivals, and protecting what he alone has earned. He is the most successful big cat for a reason. Adaptable. Elusive. Relentless. You can spend a lifetime in the Mara and never see him. You can look directly at him and notice only leaves. But understand this clearly. He sees everything. The Phantom of the Mara. The leopard is just one ghost in this vast machine. There are thousands of stories hidden in the tall grass, waiting to be told. If you want to join the expedition and see the wild like never before, hit the like button and subscribe to Jungle Boy Safari. Don't forget to follow for more raw wildlife content coming soon. If you're planning your next vacation in the wild, travel with those who understand it. Contact Jungle Boy Safari and experience a premium wildlife adventure. Book now.